This looks like about a 6-inch lift right here. What do you think? She got lifted. Getting these tires balanced and rotated right now. We can't fit in the roof. I got my tires rebalanced and rotated. I'm charging my phone with that, and everything's good. Having it jacked up made me see what it looked like with a lift, and I think we might have to do that. So they also looked under here and said my suspension is fine. Everything is perfect. There's no leaks in the shocks or anything. And it's hard to believe. I told them what was going on, and they went under there and they said everything's tight, everything's fine. So driving it right now, it's fine. There's no more shakes or no more noises coming from under there, so I don't know what's going on. We are off again to the secret location to purge a little bit more. We got some of the clothes out of the way. It feels a lot better now, and we're gonna do a little bit more of that, and I gotta finish up my painting, and then we're gonna head out